Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
How did you sleep?
Pretty good. I didn't see Gabby's car.
She called. She's fine, John. She's at Antonia's.
I was hoping she'd help me ride that new ball-faced stallion. She liked that horse. She turned into great turner. Yeah. You know, she'd be a good trainer. She's got a way with horses. What do you think?
Maybe. But she's going to college. You think she wants to smell like horses all the time like you?
That bad?
No, para nada. If you like horses.
Have you seen my wife?
Make no mistake about it. We are going to win.
I can assure you that militarily, this strategy will not succeed.
Uncle George!
In here.